Tenzin Yinsel ne kana marbo shungi na miri tunde yadun kumbe chimchar zenungi chimshila midun zani mebe ngogogi inge tone and sungshenangyu Yinsel.
Dear Tibetan brothers and sisters, I am Yinsel Atsing, the co-president of the Chicago chapter of Students for a Free Tibet, speaking on behalf of the Tibetan youth in Chicago. Achaminki has told you about the shocking truth about Tibet, its invasion and its destruction. But the story of Tibet does not end with the invasion. It continues today. We all know that so many changes have happened in Tibet, some in open, but most in secrecy. All these changes were results of the Chinese government's calculated schemes to erase the Tibetan identity. One such policy is assimilation. Ever since the Chinese entered Tibet in 1950, this policy of assimilation was carried out in different forms. Their perception is that cultural, linguistic, and religious diversity are an existential threat to the Chinese Communist Party and the state. And one of their latest programs to erase the Tibetan identity is called the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law. This law targets the future generations of Tibetans. Under it, over 1 million Tibetan children are separated from their families, sent to Chinese boarding schools, separated from their identity and their language. It is a systematic campaign of forced assimilation into the Chinese identity. In Tibet, this ethnic unity law has become a euphemism for replacing Tibetan education with mandatory Mandarin instruction. This effectively takes away Tibetan parents' rights to pass down their native tongue. This law is designed to make our children forget who they are. Therefore, I call upon all Tibetans and Friends of Freedom from around the world to stand together, raise our voices, and demand the repeal of this law. And here in my hand is a cover copy of China's Ethnic Unity and Progress Law. I'm ready to rip up the symbol of oppression. What about you?
Yeah!